So we were approached a couple of years ago by a company that manufactures automotive brake parts. The unique thing about these parts is these are steel, and they go through a process called electroplating, where a metal is deposited on the surface in order to give these parts corrosion prevention. They're unique in that the surface is very rough and there's lots of machined areas, so there's a lot of place for oil and lubricants to get trapped. Because of the amount of oil, the cleaner baths will get saturated with oil very quickly. That results in dump or waste to these cleaner baths. So they approached us with a way to improve cleaning. Is there a way to also increase the life of their cleaner baths? We have a unique technology for filtering the contaminants out of the cleaner bath so that the cleaner can be recycled. This resulted in longer cleaner life. It also resulted in better part quality because it prevented contamination from being carried down the process line into other tanks. This particular company has now been running this system for approximately a year and a half, and they have yet to waste an entire cleaner bath. So they've been able to constantly recycle. So we were able to really improve their waste and quality.